What's the meaning of common denominator? Common denominator. Common denominator.
Common denominator. Common denominator. The term common denominator refers to a number that is a shared multiple of the denominators in two or more fractions. In other words, it is the smallest number that can be divided evenly by all of the denominators. Finding a common denominator is necessary when adding or subtracting fractions with different denominators. To do this, one must first identify the factors of each denominator and then choose the lowest common multiple. Once a common denominator is found, each fraction can be converted into an equivalent fraction with the same denominator, making it possible to perform the operation.